Hi, today I'm going to try something a little different. I've noticed in my past videos that some things need a little explaining, and I'm going to try to do just that. Now today we're making a dragon. Just going to start out blocking out the forms, putting in the nostrils, adding the eyes and teeth, and then we'll go from there. To start out, I like to work in symmetry mode. Now, this is sort of like working with two brushes at once, and it mirrors it over an axis. This takes away from the organic qualities of whatever you're working on. So eventually it's best to turn that off. What you see me do a lot is turn the circle blue, and you'll see me go over the rough textures and it smooths it out. And that's exactly what it's supposed to do. There's a button on the controller that turns on the tool. So that way you don't have to go into the menu and swap back and forth. And it's easily one of my most favorite features. Here I'm drawing in the scales, which is a lot of lines repeated over and over. Okay, now I get it. The details are important. They're so important, I get it. But there are so many fucking lines. So many lines. I grew tired and bored. And before I knew it, I was throwing knives in people's faces. Okay. Back to the lines. Lines. Line after line. Oh, hey, look. I'm smoothing out the lines. Okay, more lines. More lines. More lines. There's a different perspective. That's neat. Look at that. Lines, but from a different perspective. Now that's what matters. More lines. Oh my god. More lines. Okay, one more break. two lines. Okay. I'm done. I promise. No more lines. Just horns. Now the horns, I had a little difficulty trying to find the right texture and the right transition to the skin. But I think I figured it out. I kind of made it look like the skin was curling under the horns, and I think that's pretty gnarly. I decided to look at some depictions of dinosaurs, and I noticed that their skin was very leathery and wrinkly, especially around the eyes. So I decided to go back in and add some extra detail. What's necessary is to add in all of that detail and then change your mind and delete it all. A lot of what I'm doing is scraping away the grooves and then adding little worms. And then you take the worms and you smooth it all out. And it has this interesting texture. Guy right here will be a big flabby wrinkle. But of course, the wrinkles need wrinkles. you enjoyed. This was a lot of fun. Let me know if you prefer these kind of videos where I talk about what I'm doing, or if you just prefer it if I'd shut up. Thank you again. I hope you have a nice day.